I'm Kendra. And I'm Winter. Welcome to Kendra's Winter Show. Today we're gonna open the Barbie two-story house and doll. What about you, Winter? Mine is an extra doll and it's like fashion stars. What is a fashion stars? It looks to be fashion stars. And it looks like me. They made me. Winters is the doll house. I'm the doll. And we're gonna share it. And Winters is this one and the doll house. Mine is the doll house and the doll. This one first. And then because this one is just content and this one is She have a dress and it is a cat. She say meow. Oh no, I removed her necklace. How can I do that? Nice. She's the friend of Barbie. The necklace is black. And she's posing. Let me pose her. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Yes. Hello, is anyone here? Hello. Here. Okay, here's the soap. I'm in the
Where's your daughter, though?
She's here, sleeping. Skipper, wake up. It's morning. You need to go to school today. Okay. I'm gonna fold my blanket. Bathroom is up there, okay? Okay? Ow. I think I just bumped my head. Oh, hi, baby boy. You're so cute. Small parts. Daddy, there's a small part. Daddy, he will eat it. Daddy. Oh,
Bawal ka na po yan.
no. Like this video and subscribe for more videos. And make sure give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more videos, search for Kendra's Winter Show. Bye. Bye. Ooh, someone's here. Skipper, are you done? Now it's time to playtime.